Okay, sige. Tawagin natin ang ating first friend from the media, from PUSH, ABS-CBN, Aliana Cita Guzman. Palakpakan po natin si Aliana Cita Guzman from PUSH.
So again, congratulations, Belle, for your new release. So for the longest time, we've known you as a great artist. So ngayon that you're continuing your musical era, how do you prepare? Like as a music artist, is this different from being an actress? So, paano ka nagpe-prepare? Do you practice at home? Do you take music lessons? Ganyan. Sabi mo nga rin kanina, parang collaborative paggawa ng album eh. So, paano?
Well, for me kasi, I grew up using the video okay. Parang yun yung naging practice ko po, totoo lang. As in, laking video okay talaga ako. So parang hindi siya nawala sa akin na I've always wanted to pursue music. Sobrang iba niya sa acting Kasi feeling ko sa acting kasi meron ng character, nakaplot yung story ng character mo, alam mo na yung pupuntahan. Pero yung sa music kasi, ikaw yung magna-navigate ng story mo on your own, which is so nice na, yun nga po, like what I said earlier, para siyang nagiging diary. And ang ganda kasi nung thought na we're able to translate our emotions through music. And I've always loved the idea. And syempre yung karaoke dreams ko. Ayun po.
Tunay na Pinoy na pinalaki.
Oo, video okay talaga.
So, for you, parang ano yung mas mahirap sa tingin mo?
Pareho po. Parang syempre may sarili-sarili silang challenges kasi syempre pag acting, mata. Pero dito kasi, even when you're singing, nararamdaman pa rin yung emotion. So for this album, since happy yung album, happy kami ng recording.
Opo. Do you have any inspiration in this specific album? Sabi mo nga, happy tong album na to.
Yes.
So do you have someone ba or something, inspiration?
I think more than inspiration, we wanted to focus on the relatability of the album. We wanted people na, those who listen to it, will be able to relate to it and take inspiration, di ba? Love is a universal language po, so parang gusto lang namin na yung listeners namin, they feel kilig, they feel love, and that's the tone of the album.
Did you also write a specific song in this album?
Naku, wala po. Pero hopefully, gusto ko. I really want to. Sabi ko nga, sana matutunan ko talaga yun. If there's one thing I wanna learn, it's to write talaga song. Nagsulat na ako before, dalawa. Pero kasi, I think that's still something I'm trying to learn. Kasi ako, magaling ako na umpisahan ko siya, hindi ko siya matapos. So sabi ko, aralin ko pa. But hopefully, sana this year, maybe, sana makatapos ko ng kanta.
And for my last question, any dream collaboration? Sinong artist yan? Local, international?
Oh my gosh, Olivia Dean. I love Olivia Dean. Come Olivia Dean, I love her songs. Parang ganun nga rin yung vibe ng album, di ba? Very light. And ang ganda kasi ng music niya. Alam mo yung napapangiti ka pag napapakinggan mo. Ayun po yung gusto namin.
Okay, thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Thank you,
Congratulations,
Aliana.
Thank you so much po.
By the way, yung